What we'll be talking about today is a bit of an overview of our outlook for 2025 here at Frost & Sullivan within our chemicals and materials team. So before we talk about anything specific, let me just introduce myself and my colleagues here. I'm Brian Balmer. I'm practice area leader for chemicals and materials overall.
We have been looking at our outlooks this year based on three main mega trends. So first being digitalization or digital transformation. I'd be talking more about how digitalization is going to affect the three programs, starting with the chemicals program over here. Overall, this one's talking about AI, artificial intelligence for material design. Now, coming on to the polymers program, one of the major primary development in the polymer industry owing to digitalization is the penetration of additive manufacturing in end-use applications, which has led to the development of a lot of tailored polymeric products for various printer types that are used for 3D printing.
When we talk about sustainability in the chemical industry, I think biorefineries are the most important ones that are presenting a lot of opportunities. We have these first generation, second generation, third generation feedstocks. First generation have always faced a lot of criticism as it competes with food and feed. So there has been a significant transition to second generation feedstock. Primarily agricultural residues, forestry residues, and wastes. I think waste management is one of the key topics across several industries.
In this slide and in these charts that we are showing you, we wanted to give a clearer view on what's happening on some aspects of sustainability of these materials, particularly because there's a lot of work to be done. As we can see here in the first chart to the left, only around 9% of all plastics that are being produced are being recycled. Things have been changing very fast in the last couple of weeks since we wrote these outlooks in December. So I had to throw everything away and make it like a brand new. So in 2025, what are the three main factors that we're going to have to look into? We are talking about geopolitical volatility. This is Trump 2.0. This is Middle East. This is, we are on the third year of Russia's invasion to Ukraine.
Here, competitiveness is more around the new emerging markets that you're investing in. So this is about how green hydrogen is offering a lot of opportunities for chemicals and materials like, basically polymers and composites, not just the epoxy resins and the composites that are used in pressure vessels, but also a lot of simulation, winding, and advanced structural simulation.
Overall competitive landscape in the case and construction industry has been experiencing a very notable shift over the past few years, and a major contributing factor is the changing raw material landscape here. Over the past few years, the raw material landscape has been undergoing a gradual but definite shift in the way the raw materials are used, the type of raw materials procured, etc.
So I'll just like to highlight that we just completed an analysis on the architectural coatings market, and we found that this market has so much of dynamics with a lot of companies, in fact the top companies, making strategic moves by divesting their big markets like the US decorative market from PPG. PPG divested its architectural coatings market in the US, which is really big. And Sherwin-Williams divested its Chinese business in 2023. Within the Indian market, you see a lot of newcomers, new entrants, and majors like AkzoNobel exiting the market.
I'll only take 1 minute maximum just to reflect on what I sort of see as the kind of the key conclusions here. AI was a theme running through everything. For me, there's two sort of key takeaways there. One is the fact that the systems are referred to as, for example, co-pilot and co-scientist. So when I speak to people in other industries as well, they say, this will not take over the jobs. They are your co-pilot. They help you. They don't take over what you're going to do. And we're actually just starting to see some really interesting results coming out from the use of AI in related industries as well.